In this piano tutorial, I want to share a different approach to the song "Oh Give Thanks" in the key of A major. And this song is usually sung and done in 4/4, but I actually heard a version of the song being done in 3/4. So let's do this tutorial in 3/4. And like always, I'll include some gospel or jazz passing chords and chord substitutions that we can use within the song, right? So if this song was in 3/4 and we used basic chords, it would sound something like this, right? With the number system. 1 4 5 1 6 2 5 1, and it repeats. Let's go to the chorus. Three, 2, 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. Right, pretty simple chords. Some of them are not diatonic. For example, the 2, when we play it as a major, it would not be diatonic, but not that hard to memorize and learn these chords. Now, what can we do to make the chords sound a little bit more interesting, and how can we change these progressions? Right, we would start off, for example, or my approach, we start off on that major 7. So on that 1 major 7, A major 7, oh give thanks. Then this 4 chord, I'm voicing it as a D major 13. And something important that I'm doing is voicing these chords in a way that the melody is my last note in the chord, so that it stands out. Oh give thanks. Right, we can use this 3 as a bridge between the 1 and the 4. Oh give thanks. And then the next part of the song goes onto. Right, there's a bunch of different ways we can do this, right? For example, onto. I actually prefer this way, right, where we play an A major 6 onto to get to this 7, right? So it would be like a 1 to a 7. But this A major 6, I'm actually envisioning it as a 2 chord, right? As a B9, right? It would, if we played a B, it would be oh give thanks onto, right? Onto. But instead of playing these 2 chords onto, we're playing the substitutions onto, something like that, okay? And usually we would go from the 5 to the 1, but instead of doing that, we're going to play on 7 3 6. Right? Instead of going back to the 1, we play a 7 7 3 6. And this song would be we would basically stay on the 6, for example. For he is good, to go to the 2. But instead of doing that, we're going to do a 4. So, oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he, a 4 is good. Then we play this 2, which is voiced over the E flat, right? B over E flat. Yes, and then the 5 is good. So, all together. Now let's move on into the chorus. For he is worthy. Now, the original progression would go 4 3 2 1. But instead of doing that, we're going to substitute the 2 and the 1 for the flat 6 and the 6. So it would be something like this. For he is worthy, worthy. Right? So we're substituting that 2 for this F diminished seventh, which is serving as a passing chord that will lead us to the 6th, which is an F sharp minor 7 or minor 9, whichever you desire to play. So we're still maintaining the melody, which is why these chords or these substitutions work out. So you can even play this F diminished as a C sharp, right? Something like that, right? 4, 3. Oh, sorry. 4, 3, 3, 6. Then from here, we can actually use the same progression we used in the first verse. So 4 is good, sharp or B over E flat. Yes, he. Then 5 is good. 4, 3. Right, so that would be the whole song right there, played in 3/4. But what I want to do now is play it without any interruptions, and I'll leave a MIDI file in the description of this video. And also, quick reminder, I have a course available. It's in the first link in the description of this video, where I teach 11 gospel jazz progressions that you can use in your daily playing. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe so you keep receiving these videos. Hopefully you enjoy this part of the video.